Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here, along with the yardbirds are scattered about here and a guinea or two. So if it gets noisy, you'll know what that's all about. And speaking of noise, if it gets a little windy or whatnot, I haven't got the external mic out today, mainly because it's, well, the wind started picking up a little bit, and also I've been fighting the raindrops. So I've got to go down in a little bit and check on the Broody Hens down back. But first I got to get a few more of these canes out of here, and I want to try to get a few more raspberries out of these this year and get them cleaned up and fertilized real well. So let me get back to this, and hey, we'll meet you down at the barn in a little bit. How's that? Alright, this is Mama Jersey Giant. I want to try to be quiet. This is either her 5th, 6th, or 7th. I don't think 7th. I think it's 6th day on the nest with eggs. And I don't want to bother her because she is a pretty young hen and, well, she's doing awful good. So we'll move it on over to the other coop and check in on Miss Bumblefoot. She's a black Arstelop. And if you want to know about Miss Bumblefoot, well, hey, I'll put a link in the upper right hand corner in a little bit. She is being awful good. See if I can't get a little closer. There we go. She is being good. She's about 4 years old, and although she's 4, this is the first clutch that she has ever tried to hatch. So we're going to be pretty brief here. Like I said before, this is Miss Bumblefoot. And if any of you have followed my channel out there, which I'm sure you have, you'll remember the Bumblefoot hen and what went on. And I will put a tag up in the right hand corner, or a card, or whatever you want to call it, and check it out there. Alright, girl, we'll let you get going here. Well, that'll just about do it, guys, for this episode. I hope you're all enjoying these videos, and if you are, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you aren't, well, hey, give me a thumbs down. But make sure either way you leave me a comment down below and tell me what you liked about it or what you didn't like about it. Anyways, hey, wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you're all having a great one. Be good to one another. Take care now. Well, could there be any more traffic on this road today? Oh. Take 7 or 8 or 9, somewhere around there. You take your pick.